In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up working hours and team availability in Google Calendar. This is a handy feature for those who want to manage their schedules more efficiently and collaborate seamlessly with their team. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading on over to the Google Calendar website. It's typically the first result when you search for Google Calendar. Click on it and you'll be on your way. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email address, click Next, type in your password, and hit Next again. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new calendar specifically for your team. Look over to the left side of the screen and you'll notice a plus sign next to Other Calendars. Click that, then select Create New Calendar from the options that appear. Give your calendar a name. Something descriptive yet straightforward so your team members immediately know what it's about. Now that your calendar has been named, click on Create Calendar to finalize it. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your new calendar has been successfully created. You can then use the arrow in the upper left corner to navigate back to the main calendar view. Next, let's adjust some settings to ensure your calendar is set up for team collaboration. Locate the settings icon. It should appear in the upper right corner of the page, looking like a small gear. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will present you with a variety of options. In the Settings panel, navigate to Team Calendar and then look for a section labeled Shared With. Here, you can add the people you want to collaborate with. Click on Add People and Groups to enter emails of your team members, then select the appropriate account from your contacts. You can adjust permissions by clicking on Permissions, which allows you to specify how much control your team has over the calendar, whether they can only view or also make changes. Once you've set the permissions, don't forget to click Send to finalize sharing your calendar with your team. They'll receive an email invitation to join, and once accepted, everyone will be able to see the availability and set their working hours according to personal and team schedules. And that's it! You've successfully set up working hours and team availability in Google Calendar. This setup is not only going to streamline your scheduling process, but also ensure that everyone is on the same page, enabling efficient and effective collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.